Yo, if you love Korean barbecue, you have to try this noodle. So I'm not gonna lie, honestly, I was just hungry today and I was craving for pork belly, so I decided to make this 2 dish. So when I eat samgyeopsal, this noodle is a must. All right, so first thing first, we're gonna need some somen noodles right here, aka the Korean style noodles. All right, so I'm gonna grab about this much. So I just grab it about this much. Look, got him. Boom. So to me, I call this the 50 cent. Is that the size of a 50 cent? I haven't seen a 50 cent for a while too, but let's just say it's 50 cent. All right, high heat. Boom. All right, 2 quarts of water in. A teaspoon of salt. All right, so now that's boiling. All right, now I'm gonna throw in my noodles. All right, so this is about 250 grams of noodle. It's about this much, all right? Set alarm, 3 minutes. All right, so while we're waiting for this noodle, let's make the sauce. So the noodles takes like 3 minutes. Making the sauce is about a minute. You really can make this in like 5 to 6 minutes, but I said 10 minutes just to make it more realistic for everybody. All right, so grab a bowl. 3 tablespoons of pepper flakes, aka gochujang. 3 tablespoons of pepper paste, aka gochujang. Boom. Yeah, it gets annoying. It gets stuck in your fingers. So you just gotta give it to a friend and just, yeah, don't do that, guys. All right, 3 tablespoons of apple vinegar. Boom. Wow. 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. Just like that. Ooh. And a tablespoon of sesame oil for that goso한 맛. And a 1/2 tablespoon of garlic. And here's my little secret right here. 5 tablespoons of pineapple juice and 5 tablespoons of Sprite. Shh, don't tell nobody. 1, 2, 3. 5 tablespoons of Sprite and 5 tablespoons of pineapple juice. All right, now we're gonna give that a nice little mix. Ooh. All right, so 3 minutes up. Ooh. Okay. All right, I'm gonna drain that out real quick. Ooh. All right, we're gonna rinse it in cold water. So usually I would rinse it in ice water, but it's like winter time right now, and this water is like freezing. Ooh. Look at that. Just let it sit. All right, the sauce is ready, the noodles ready. Now we're gonna make some garnish. Just need some kimchi. All right, here we're gonna chop up, say a cup of kimchi. So I like to chop it up with scissors so I don't get the cutting board all messed up, you know? Boom, bam, 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 bam. Small size. Only other garnish we need other than kimchi is some kim. So we have a professional here. Welcome in Clyde.
Hello.
Show them what you got. So he's literally the expert. I literally wanted to show this skill to the world. Go. That's insane.
Ready for this? No lucky.
이렇게 이거로 움직이는 거야?
Yeah. Like,
Oh, wow.
Like when you're cutting.
Like you're guiding it with the other hand.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let me see. Let me try.
Okay.
All right, so you guide it with this finger. Okay.
Yeah, that's exactly how you do it.
I mean, I can do it, but not at your speed. All right, I'm gonna try. Oh! Oh, what? Proud of this guy. All that garnish that comes up in your Korean food at a Korean restaurant, he's doing it, all right?
Oh, yeah.
Good work, man. All right, in another pot. Honestly, if you're really in a rush, I say just make the egg in the same pot that you're cooking the noodles in. All right, so we're gonna boil some eggs in here. All right, once that's boiling, we're gonna go for 6 to 7 minutes. And if you don't like runny egg, go 7 to 8. So I told you guys this noodle is perfect with pork belly, right? I don't have pork belly right now, so I'm about to make my pork belly real quick. So high heat, just a little bit of oil. Pork belly already has so much fat in it, you don't really need to add additional oil, to be honest. All right, that's hot. All right, pork belly going in. I love pork belly more than I like kalbi and everything else.
Me too.
Ooh, look at that. I want that golden brown like that. So not only is my manager great at making this, like look at that. You see that? That's crazy. But he's really good at grilling too. You know, honestly, Korean chef, we slice up the meat behind the kitchen. The real cook of the Korean barbecue is actually the people in the front of the house. The staff in the front master the whole Korean barbecue. Ooh, that's exactly what we're going for. Ooh. Ooh. All right, so let's go. Gloves on. All right, noodles in. All right, so here for the sauce is however you like it, you know? 1, 2, boom. For garnish, we have some kimchi, just like that. So here, cucumbers, boom. Cut it in half. Right, boom. And here, boom. Then we're gonna hit it with a little bit of seaweed paper. We're gonna finish with a little bit of sesame oil on top, sesame seed. Ooh, look at that, perfect. Ooh. Not much stuff. Oh, yeah, we almost forgot about the eggs. We're in a rush, so. Boom, look at this. All right, moment of truth. Yeah, if you want more sauce with it, if you like it a little bit more spicy, add more sauce to it. The cucumber and the kimchi definitely give you a nice little crunch to it. I like the noodles, but I like it with kogi so much better. This dude talks a lot when there's no camera.
But when there's food, I gotta eat.
True.
Usually that's in the summertime. I look at this very handsome chef recipe and
Wow.
make it and take it home.
Oh, damn. This guy right here be cooking my recipe without liking and commenting. So if you're watching this and you haven't liked or comment, I won't get it.
He's gonna hunt you down. For real, for real.
Well, that's nice that you made.
Yeah.
'Cause you don't usually cook, right?
I never cook.
That's how easy it is, guys. If Clyde can make it, you can make it. Alright, so our main camera is out. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Yeah, we'll see you.
You'll see you.